Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about how you guys can make $600 per day from swing trading stocks. Now, I hope you guys all enjoyed this, but more importantly, I actually hope you learned something of value out of today's video. And if you do, smash that like button, subscribe. If you guys want to learn more and elevate your trading, check out our school. It's called the Swing Trading Masterclass. We have private live streams, quizzes, lectures, a group chat, but more importantly, we actually teach you to trade. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's not alerts or anything like that. It's honest strategies that I've learned over the past 7 years of full-time trading. So check it out down below, and you guys can get 51% off by using code SPRING25. So click that link, sign up. I'll see you guys in there. And guys, if you want to check out our merch as well, we have all this fantastic merch like trading desk mats. We have t-shirts, hats, sweatshirts, all trading merch, investing merch. So check it out down below, and you guys can get 20% off by using code DIVIDEND. So check it out. I'll see you guys in there, and let's jump into this here. So all right, this past day here, we've taken a beautiful trade on ERJ. ERJ here is a stock that we recently bought yesterday. Now you guys can see here this beautiful return, $620 by holding this. And this is what's important, right? If you guys are just starting out trading, there's some things you must have and do. One of them is having a trading journal. This is mine. I'll put it down below. It's like $20, and honestly, it'll just help separate you from other traders, because what it does is it shows you what strategies are working and which ones aren't. So you guys can see, right now, breakout and sell-off are pretty much just tied for 1 and 2. We've taken a variety of great trades, one losing trade here that we're in on Google with, but nevertheless, what a great return. We're up right now about $3,477 this past month here. So we're on pace to have a fantastic month. So what's the approach? Well, the first thing you have to realize is before you buy a position, you want to make sure that the stock follows your strategy. So what's an easy way to do that? Have a checklist. Having a checklist will make sure that the stock you choose and you're buying follows your strategy. So with this stock here, let's go ahead and pull it up. ERJ. The first thing that I noticed was trends. Trends should be everybody's first thing. You guys can see the stock's gone from lows at $12 all the way up to highs at about $60. So it has the beautiful buying pressure. That's the first thing. Most people and most new traders and investors think that it's better to find a stock on a downward trend, kind of like this here, like a downward trend like this, and buy it at a cheaper price, when in reality, often those stocks have so much selling pressure behind it that you buy in at a cheap price and it just goes lower and lower and lower. And next thing you know, you get stopped out, or next thing you know, you blew up an account. So for me, finding a stock that already has buying pressure behind it just gives it a little more momentum. The next thing here is going to be support. Okay, support is just where a stock has natural tendencies of getting buying pressure. Now, for me, I love moving average lines like the red, blue, and yellow, which are the 200, the 90, and the 50-day moving average lines. These, as you guys can see, it hits it in the past. We have tendencies of getting really good buying pressure behind it. So it hits it buying pressure, right? Hits it buying pressure, hits that 200-day buying pressure, right? And it's not 100% certain, but nevertheless, this is just an ideal spot you would want to get in on this position. Okay. And so one of the things that I also look at is the RSI, which stands for the Relative Strength Index, which at the time it was trading for a 24, when the last time it was trading for a 24 was back in here. And what happened? Huge move, huge buying pressure. So now let's go through this again. We have a stock on an upward trend. It's sold off down to that 200-day moving average line. It is undervalued on the RSI. Most new traders would go, all right, let's enter. When in reality, you want to make sure there's confirmation, because you don't want to buy the stock and have it just sell off more. So what you want to do is go to some sort of lower time frame. So for me, I use the hourly and occasionally the 4-hourly chart here. So you guys can see here, going to that hourly time frame, if we go out and we draw out this trend, right? You guys can see this trend right here. right? So now it hits this really hard resistance point. Hit it, sell off, sell off, sell off, sell off, sell off. So as this stock is going down and down and down, we're moving our alert, not our buy, but an alert down and down and down. So once it popped up at 42, this was our beautiful entry point. 42 squeezed up right now at about $44. So now return wise, this trade is near and around about a 4% return, which I will take any day of the week. You know, I've always said if you can make a whopping 3% per month, you are in the top 5% of all traders in the world. So, yes, a return like this, you know, making $600, I'll take this any day of the week. This is exactly what we look for. This is what we seek out. And this is what makes up a good trader is knowing your entries, your exits, your risk management, you know, and where is our stop loss? It's very, very simple. We put our moving average lines back up. If it dips down below either the trend or the 200-day moving average line right here, we'll sell the position. It's as easy as that. And that's what's great about trading is knowing your supports, knowing your resistance, and letting this thing play out. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this. And if this is a super simple strategy you guys can use to start making money. If you guys are new, check out our school, code SPRING25 for 51% off. Check out our merch. I'm super excited. Like, subscribe, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day and take care.